Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to learn how to post a Padlet comment. And as you know, the first task is to answer some of these questions from Lesson C. Who's calling, please? And in order to create your comment, you can see the plus sign over here, and you need to click it, and you will have this chart. Now you are going to write your name, last name. Of course, I need that in order to put your points. And after that, maybe you can copy the question, paste it over here, and answer. I usually call my parents because they live in Loja, for example. And later you go with question 2, your answer, of course, and when you finish, guys, you need to click outside of the box, and now it's done. You can see your comment over here. So thank you. If you have questions, you know how to message me. Bye.